Go ahead.
Okay, so this is the snatch latch. It's compatible with a Whiting style door latch that has this hook. So how this is installed is first make sure that it's unlocked, remove the pin, and then when you bring the guard up to the door handle, you make sure that it's vertical and you'll start to rotate it up into to make sure that this area fits in between the support plate and the locking block. So we'll put that back here, twist it into position, and then the upper left shoulder should rest onto the door handle. Then you'll push down on the door handle, because it's a little spring in there that aligns the holes so you can insert the pin, and then you'll push on the push lock in the bottom to lock it in place. When you want to open it, you'll grab your key, fit it into the hole, it'll be unlocked. You can remove the pin,